Now, let's solve an IB exam style question. Let's start with part A. H is directly proportional to the square root of P. So I can start having my equation to be H is equal, since it's directly proportional, K times the square root of P. When H is equal to 5.4, the P is equal to 1.44. So I use this given to find the value of K now. So I have 5.4 is equal to K times the square root of 1.44. So I have K to be equal to 5.4 over the square root of 1.44. Having K equal to, I have 5.4 divided by the square root of 1.44, and the value of K is equal to 4.5. So now I can find the value of H when P is equal to 2.89. So now H is equal to 4.5 times the square root of 2.89, having H to be equal to 4.5 multiplied by the square root of 2.89, and this is equal to 7.65. This is part A. Part B of the question. Part B says that y is inversely proportional to the square root of 1 plus x. So y is simply equal to K over the square root of 1 plus x. I need to use these givens to find the value of K. So when y is equal to 2, I have x to be equal to 8, so it's K over the square root of 1 plus 8. So now I have 2 is equal to K divided by 1 plus 8 is square root of 9, which is 3. So I have K to be equal to 6. Since I know that K is equal to 6, I can write my equation as y in terms of x. So I have y to be equal to 6 over the square root of 1 plus x. Now we need to find y when the value of x is 15. So when x is equal to 15, I have y is equal to 6 over the square root of 1 plus 15, and this is equal to 6. The square root of 16 is 4, 6 over 4, which is equal to 3 over 2. And by this, I could solve section B of my question by using the inverse proportionality between y and the square root of 1 plus x.